Hi YouTube, Dr. Edward Tyndall in the house. Today we are doing kind of an unboxing. We're taking the liberty to unbox some of the things. I don't know if this man wants recognition for what he's done or not, but from the very bottom of my heart and soul, I truly thank you, Sir Peter Webster, my mother from another mother across the pond. And he made sure that Sarah has some vital things that she needs, and I'm going to be showing some of those today because things went very south. If y'all see this picture behind me here, we went from that to this in a blink of an eye. The doctors aren't able to do anything else for her, so they sent her home to me to care for her the best I can, for as long as I can. It was either that or hospice. So I'm doing everything that she needs done for her. But Peter Webster made sure that I had things that she needs. Let me see some of the things: trash bags, wet wipes, different bedding things. We got this wedge, this big wedge, it was a $50 wedge, and extra pillows. Don't believe how many pillows you need when you're have a stroke patient that you're working with. It can be pressing. And also this machine down here. This machine down here was $180, and some of the donation that he sent went to that. And so let me see here. I'm gonna try to set this up for you guys so y'all can see. I have my wife set up where, let me see, best way to get y'all. I have pillows and stuff blocking for her privacy. Y'all understand that? Yeah, we got these leg compression devices, Fit King, and it's something that's vital for her. It wasn't cheap, but it's something that she definitely needs to get her circulation and stuff going on. I also ordered something else for her hands, a ball massager device. Oh, we got some mouth swabs, time saw for keeping area, antiseptic mouthwash. I got the mouth care on her as well. We're going to try some of this stuff. And the wedge is going to be a lot better also. So these things, I've already put them together. I'm taking them off. They got individual labels on them. This one is left. Definitely need it. We'll see if we see any difference. Me and my wife love each other very much. I knew she would do the same to me. We take care of each other until the end. Funny thing about this whole thing is, I cannot believe that a man who has never seen Sarah from all the way across the world has done something to help her when her own family cost me $10,000. I hope y'all are watching this, and shame on you. I would be ashamed of myself because I'm out $10,000 that could have been used for her help. I've got cops coming up here. I've got child services, human welfare services, risking her life when she has a tracheotomy in her that could bring COVID into the house. My son is on a straight A honor roll. I had 6 professional teachers tell me he was incapable of learning. I told them they were full of shit. And now he's on the A honor roll. I did that. My 4th grade education did that. So people can hate on me all you want. Bless you, Peter. Sir Peter Webster, I have nothing but love and respect for you, my friend. And I wasn't asking for no donations or anything, but I've had a couple people want to, and Peter was one of them. If you didn't want me to say anything, I apologize for saying anything, but I just want you to know that we're grateful and Sarah's grateful. If I forgot, shame on the people who's trying to hurt me and my family. All that Joey's got. That's it. So we got our left one. I'm gonna make this a happy video though, as happy as humanly possible. Sarah has spells where she has neurological changes and it comes and goes. The problem is, well, they can't help her because they put her on Wolfrin. It will. The Wolfrin will cause her brain bleed. And if they don't put her on it, she's going to have more strokes. Basically, I'm trying to love her and take the best care of her as I can, as humanly possible. Her legs are so skinny, I hope this thing just works. Okay, I'm going to take this in here, and it has already unboxed something. What's this? Oh, there's something else here. Maybe I'm missing something here. Figure this out what this is after the video. If I didn't put it wrong. I know that's hard, that don't go up against your legs. So take this and plug this in. First we're going to make sure you match it. There's an L. Plug it into the L. And there's an R. Plug it into the R. These hoses feel really nice too. This is made by Fit King. Then we're going to plug it in, plug it in. We're going to turn on the, I want to move this a little bit first. Get this thing working, actually see what's going on. I'd like to see her face as well though, if possible. Legs and, let me see if I can move this thing in a way where we can see everything. Legs and everything. Lower this down a little bit. Bear with me, folks. I want to see if there's any reaction with her high power. Yes, it's airing up. A little bit of a reaction. She knows something's going on. She had these things on in the hospital that something similar to this, but this is as close as I could get to replicate that. Yeah, new pillows. Thanks to Peter. New pillows. Look at this. Is starting to feet. This is really nice. Yes, really nice. That's on its tightest setting. I can't do it any tighter. I just got to be doing something. Yes, I can see it's basically giving a like that motion in different areas. Something she desperately needs. New pillows, new pillowcases. Got a whole bag of these. This is something that she desperately needed to. Again, thank you, Peter, for our mouth care. There's 3 in 4 of those packs. Hey, baby girl, are you noticing something? I'm monitoring this to see. I'll tell you actually. Yeah, baby. We've had some weird stuff going here. good or is it hurting this way? Hang in there, my love. I want y'all to be able to love people. I'm not the only one in the world that loves this girl to death. I want y'all all to be able to love and enjoy what's going on. She still may have a comeback. I'll never give up on my wife. Even if she don't pull through, I'll still not give up on her. I will find a way. It got pretty tight. It got pretty tight and then it released. It's not as tight now. Like that, how that folds on your legs. Gotta keep clots from getting on my legs as well. And that's one way to do it. I just been massaging them every day. Clots are going to form. I can't sugarcoat nothing for anyone. Clots will form because we can't use blood thinner. I've had 12 neurosurgeons tell me the same thing. I don't know what to do. I love this girl. She gets very emotional when I talk to her. She's kind of trapped in her own mind, people. She knows that things are not good, and she knows that things are not good, and she wants to change things. I'll demonstrate how she praying for you, baby. All of your friends you talk to. And I don't care what any of her family thinks. The world loves Sarah. The world's going to pray for her and whatever religion they have. She's going to get better. And I'm going to fight for her until the end of time. That's all I can do. It's not having what you want, people. It's wanting what you got. We love all you guys. Thank y'all for everything, all your prayers, all your help. And we're going to still try to pull through this. It's been a roller coaster from hell. But I don't know. And y'all don't see very much. I have a Hoya left. I'm flipping her around. Me and her have a lot of emotional times together that are absolutely unbelievable. I've never been a crier my whole life. I've had my hands put down on a desk at a principal table, my pants pulled down and whipped until blood came out of the holes in the paddle. I never shed a tear. I was just that much of a hard ass all my life. But I've said before, since this has happened, I've almost drowned in my own tears several times. I've never been hurt this bad. It makes it worse when people go against me. So, y'all try to love each other as much as you can because our days are numbered. And this is real. This is the real deal here, people. Things went south and they went south fast. Well, my girl's awake. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. How do you like this thing? Is it going good on the leg? Is it going good, man? Aw. Feel good, baby? Does feel good? I got one blanket, feels good. Our checks are good right now. That was not yesterday. Yesterday was pretty rough. When I shined the light, her pupil was fully dilated, and it remained that way. Could have been a sign of another stroke, but I was warned by the neurosurgeons that was going to happen. There's nothing anyone can do about it. So y'all please keep her in your prayers and good thoughts and everything. Edward Tyndall and Sarah Tyndall out.